welcome viewers. You're watching Republic TV. I'm Richa Sharma, and straight up, let's go across to some breaking inputs coming in. Even as we speak right now, the CBI is currently interrogating Rhea Chakrabarti for the third straight day. And we're getting in some more inputs as to how CBI sources say that how Sushant Singh Rajput's sister's statement will now also be recorded. That is Meetu Singh. She was the person who was in fact with Sushant in his last days, that is between June 8th and 14th as well. And earlier today, we saw how the brother-in-law of Sushant Singh Rajput had also mentioned about the fact as to how the family is thankful that Meetu Singh was physically there for Sushant in his last days. Let's go across to my colleague Piyush now joining us over the phone line. Piyush, we are getting in news as to how the CBI will now record Sushant's sister's statement as well now.
Well, yes, sir, this is what we are thinking, that the Central Bureau of Investigation is likely to record the statement of family of Sushant Singh Rajput also. And what we're also learning is that a larger nexus of drugs will also be investigated. There are some important information coming in that the family members in Rhea both could be made to sit before each other and then questioning to take place, because we have seen that how allegations versus counter allegations coming in this case, and now looking at the kind of different information and the kind of different allegations that are being leveled by the family members. For the first time, we are learning from our sources that the CBI is likely to do cross-examination where the family members will also be sitting there of Sushant Singh Rajput. The sister and brother-in-law of Sushant Singh Rajput will be there, and we'll have to ascertain as to when it will happen. But the third day, when CBI is doing interrogation, they are grilling Rhea Chakrabarti over the kind of inconsistencies that have been found, because what we are picking is that CBI is as of now not.
In fact, Piyush, stay with us. We'll also go across to my colleague Pradeep joining us live for more on this. Pradeep, we are getting in news as to how Sushant's sister's statement will also be recorded later. And even as we speak right now, Rhea Chakrabarti is being grilled for the third consecutive day. She is now being questioned on the bigger drug nexus and what role did she exactly play in it?
Absolutely, yes. In fact, this is the third day of questioning and the biggest CBI team is there right now. Now, it's just not about the case, which is the crime scene at that moment. Now, this is a very important point, that today Siddharth Pithani and Neeraj are not present. Today you have Samuel Miranda, Souvik Chakrabarti and Rhea Chakrabarti. Now the questions will be asked to Rhea Chakrabarti with respect to the entire drug chat between Rhea, Souvik and the drug cartel, which the Narcotics Control Bureau is also looking at and also the CBI is looking at. So these are important points. Another extremely important development is what the CBI is trying to see, whether the administration of drugs to Sushant Singh Rajput with Narcotics Control Bureau is looking at was deliberate, conscious, which had some impact on what happened on 14th of June. Now, if that is the scenario, then under 120B, Rhea will also become a very big conspirator in the entire crime. So today is an extremely important development. In all, 17 hours of questioning has happened, and let's see, it's 10:30 a.m. More than 3 hours of question, more than 1.5 hours of questioning has already passed, and the questioning continues.
In fact, Pradeep, according to sources that have told Republic as to how, based on Pithani's revelations now, CBI believes that Rhea was indirectly linked with the smaller drug cartel as well. So today the line of questioning, it seems, will be on the drug cartel as well as the drug angle, because that has come up, although Rhea in her friendly PR interviews has completely denied her role directly.
Oh, well, whatever be the PR, Rhea Chakrabarti cannot hide from the truth. And if she was aware of the entire drug cartel, and if she was a key player of that drug cartel, then she also becomes a key conspirator, and she also becomes not a victim but an accused. And then she will be booked under the relevant sections of the NDPS Act, and also the relevant sections of the IPC. Now, another point which is extremely important is Siddharth Pitani also revealed that on 13 June, certain outsiders entered Sushant's flat. And we also had a testimony of a witness, of how witness revealed that the body was reflecting that it is just not a suicide, but it is a case of murder. So there are a lot of prima facie evidence, and even if Riya Chakravarti is indirectly involved, she will become an accused in the FIR. So there are two types of players here, the primary suspects and those who were linked to the primary suspects. And somehow what it is appearing is that not just Riya Chakravarti was linked to the drug cartel, but CBI is examining the possibility or a relation between the primary suspect and Riya Chakravarti.
Right. All right. Thank you so much, Pradeep, for getting us the latest. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this.